Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about sorting algorithms in data structure through C in third unit. This video mainly represents for the sorting algorithms and sorting techniques. The outcome of this presentation is, after completion of this presentation, students will be able to arrange the data with the help of various sorting techniques. Normally in our syllabus, it will cover the third course learning outcomes. So we will discuss further things. So in third unit, we have three sorting techniques: bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort. In data structure, many sorting algorithm is there, like insertion sort, merge sort, and many sorting algorithms are there. But as per our syllabus, as per U18 syllabus, we have three sorting techniques. Today we are going to discuss about bubble sort. So in bubble sort, what we will discuss: what is bubble sort, how it is working, how we will write the program for the bubble sort, like implementation, and then concept through dance video, some dance method, how the algorithm is working. That video also I will share it. And then a complexity of the bubble sort we will discuss. Okay. So now we are going to concept. What is the bubble sort? It's a symbol sorting algorithm. It works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent element if they are in wrong order. What is the adjacent element? Neighbor element. If 5 element is there, means first and second, second and third, third and fourth, fourth and fifth. So when it will be comparing, it is not in the order, like increment order. So like in case 1 and 2 we are comparing, means the first position have value 5, second position have value 4. It will be compared 5 greater than 4. So automatically it is not in the order. Then we have to swap this element. Like the first element will compare with the second element. If it is not in the order, we have to swap it. Like that, we have to compare second and third element, third and fourth element, like that n and n plus 1 element. If the, what we will getting it after swapping, it will one pass means one complete set of all the elements. So we know that search the element in linear way, like first element to last element, same like that we will check first in the entire array. So for implementation of bubble sort, we will consider the array. The array, we will start the first array index 0 to n minus 1. So till last element we are swapping, it means the first round, it will, the highest element will be in the last position. So one complete set is over, then we will go to second time. So how it will be sorting it? So first time, first highest element in the last position. Second highest element in the second pass. The second last position is there, no? The before last position it will be comes there. Like that, it will be arranged or sorted from highest element to lowest element. So this is the bubble sort concept. How we are implement using the C program. First, what we need, so normally we need array for getting the element values. So first, how many elements is there that we are getting as n? So like the scanf statement I used for get total number of elements. Then get the element values. So in case if I will give 5 element, means I will give 5 element values. For that we are using the for loop. So for I equal to 0, because array indexing, it will start from the 0, array of 0 to n minus 1. That's why I used I less than n. So we are getting the value 0 to n minus 1. Then we have to compare. So now we are implementing the bubble chart. But we have to take compare. We will take the first element. So like I is the pass. You consider I is the pass. I equal to 0 means 0 pass. Pass 1 is over. I equal to 1 means after second pass. I equal to 2 means second, third pass. Like that. This is the pass. Okay. Then J value. What J value it will do? J value only it will compare the adjacent element. What is adjacent element? 0, array 0 and array 1. Array 1 and array 2. So example in this program, I will take array J. So example J equal to 0. Array 0 greater than array J plus 1. What's the J value? 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So array 0 greater than array 1. I will comparing here. If it is greater, I already told, if it is not in the order, not in the order means if it is greater than next element, we have to swap the element. So for that, temporarily I used the swap variable. That variable is used for temp. Normally we are using temp. Here I am using swap. So that is the variable name. It's not a function. It's not a some other things. It is a variable name. So temporary variable. So just we know that how the first value is stored in the temporary variable. Second variable value is assigned to the first value. Then first variable value is assigned to second variable. So automatically the values are swapped. It will do how many times? Till n minus I minus 1. So till last element. So first round is over, then I value is incremented. Likewise, the entire comparison will be happen. So once the array is sorted, then only the loop is over. Till n minus 1 we are comparing. Finally, what we will do as usual, we have to print the element, sorted element. So how we are started, how we are getting the element, same method we have to printing it. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So using the array value. So this is the implementation of bubble chart. So what we are did here, so first we are getting the value, number of elements, then number of elements. After that, we are getting the value of the variables. Then one by one we are comparing. Finally, we are getting the sorting order. After sorting order, we are printing it. This is the implementation. So I already shared the YouTube video how it will be work with the dance. The 8 members are there. They have some values. They are compared with adjacent. Then finally, they will changing their position. Finally, they are in the sorting order. So using this link for see the video. Complexity. What is complexity? How much time it is taking? That is time complexity. Okay. So in data structure, time complexity is there. Space complexity is there. What is the time complexity? How much time it is taken? So I worst and average cases. In case the array elements are not sorted, we have to did n into n, because I equal to 0 we are starting, j equal to 0 we are starting. J first one time it will compare like that all the element with all the sorting order. So it will take n into n like n square. Best case means already the values are sorted. Once we are comparing, there is no swapping. So that is the best case. There is no swapping. That is n. So what's the outcome of this presentation? Students are able to arrange the data with the help of bubble sorting techniques. Okay. So we are using the bubble sort techniques. What is the bubble chart? Bubble chart means it will check adjacent element. If it is greater, it will swap. If it is not greater, it's not swap. So finally, we are getting sorting elements. This is the outcome of this presentation. Thank you. Any queries, you send mail to my tsm.it@itsw.ac.in. Thank you.